Hey everybody, Zach here. Welcome back to the channel, and in this video we are going to talk about why the market has reversed and come back green. And of course it's a great thing when we see the market make a nice reversal pattern, come back green. We're going to take a look at a number of different assets and see similar patterns. But the real purpose of this video is to kind of maybe provide some analysis around why the market is turning green. So I'm going to throw out a couple different reasons why I think the market could be green. And in this video, I'd love to hear from you as well down below in the comment section. As always, love to hear from you. I try to get back to as many people as I can too, and I do read the comments, so I appreciate all the support on the channel. If it's your first time dropping in, hopefully you get some value. If at any time you do, give it a thumbs up. And even if it's your second or third time dropping in, give it a thumbs up if you get some value. Also subscribe if you're new. We'd appreciate that. So, all right, right here on Twitter too, give me a follow over there at @Z_Humphries. All right, that's enough with all that mess. Let's get right into it. So, why crypto is back up? This is the Motley Fool. They always do a nice job covering these types of topics. You know, why sudden shifts in the market, and so under this section here, so what? They say no single factor appears to be responsible for this rally, which is broad and extensive. As with the equity markets, which dived on Monday but have since marched higher, investors seem to be taking advantage of recent crypto price swoons. So this is really reason number one. The prices have been so good that retail investors and all investors, really, right, institutional investors alike, are getting into these assets right now because it's cheap. They're affordable, and people are getting them on a discount price, at a discount price. So, however, there was the B-word event. So high-profile crypto bull Elon Musk also might be a small influence in why the market is green here yesterday and today. Wednesday afternoon in a cryptocurrency conference, the Tesla CEO admitted that he personally owns Bitcoin, Dogecoin, and Ethereum. I put out a video on this earlier this morning. You could check out that entire video just by going back to the channel, looking back a few videos. Tesla and Musk's space exploration venture SpaceX also holds Bitcoin. Obviously, we knew about Tesla owning Bitcoin. Now the privately owned company SpaceX, Musk says, also holds Bitcoin. In fact, the next to Tesla and SpaceX, Bitcoin is his largest portfolio holding. Speaking of Musk's personal portfolio, he also revealed that I am not selling any Bitcoin nor SpaceX or Tesla anytime soon. Probably never, right? So, yeah, I think there's a combination here. I think there is a combination of low prices and the B-word event. But I think there's also something to be said for the upcoming regulation, and maybe people see this as an opportunity to buy the dip even more because of the uncertainty surrounding the regulation. I'm not necessarily worried about what happens or doesn't happen on the 28th. Of course, we're talking about Senator Warren's comments that there needs to be some kind of regulatory process in crypto, and the U.S. government has also talked about, you know, outlawing stable coins now, or at least diminishing the number of stable coins somebody can invest in because they're going to create something similar. All in all, I think that is a good thing in the long term, right? However, short term, it does create some FUD, some fear, uncertainty, and doubt for people. But it also creates an opportunity. And I think you're seeing a lot of those people marching back into crypto or adding onto their positions right now because they don't know what's going to happen maybe 2-3 months from now, or they're super bullish about the next 2 months. And myself, I'm kind of in that second camp where I'm really bullish about the next several months in the crypto space for a lot of different assets, whether it be Cardano, who has smart contracts rolling out very soon, Bitcoin, which I think inevitably comes back here once institutional money comes rushing back in, and we know that can happen in a hurry. Another asset, which is probably my favorite asset, I want to talk about that one a little bit in this video, is Ethereum. So Ethereum, my number one holding, it had a nice 16% price rebound, activates a classic bullish pattern as well. 25K could be the next target for Ethereum. We've got up as high as about $4,300 this year in the last 52 weeks. That's the high. Now Ethereum's rebounded sharply on Thursday, especially after Elon disclosed for the first time that his private rocket firm SpaceX holds Bitcoin, and that he himself also holds Ethereum. And the Tesla would probably resume Bitcoin payment options for its electric cars once some things are cleared in terms of the environmental impact or the lack thereof due to Bitcoin mining. It reclaimed that 2,000 number on Wednesday, rising as much as 18.2% from its week-to-date low of 1720. And here's the classic pattern as it sets a target now for 2.5K. In detail, falling wedges, which this analyst here is quoted in saying, coupling the price floor with a support trend line that apprehensively constitutes a falling wedge, which are bullish reversal patterns that start wide at the top but start contracting as the prices move lower, forming a sequence of lower highs and lower lows. And we could take a look at some of the action from Ethereum, and you can start to see some of that. And we'll kind of come out here for the last couple days. Here you go. And you'll see a lot of similar patterns here. Okay, here's the trajectory upwards yesterday and today now for Ethereum as we're back up over 2,000 here on ETH. And here's BTC working our way upwards as well right now at 32.4 as we record this video. Here's Dogecoin working its way back up to 20 cents. Of course, we actually got up to 21 cents and some change yesterday. And we take a look at Axie. This is another one, a nice reversal here for Axie. It's back up to $25.54. How about Stacks? Very similar, maybe not as much upward trajectory, but actually maybe even more because Stacks has it's been up 11%, almost 12%. Here's Cardano making another nice reversal. A lot of these assets very similar, right? You can see this as Bitcoin bounced. A lot of these. Here's VeChain. It had a nice bounce back. So a lot of these assets, a lot of my favorite assets, performing nicely here over the last couple days. And it's really good to see the assets that you hold and the assets that you like bounce back like that. And the other good thing is the short positions are way down right now. So we head over to datamish.com. Bitcoin short positions, which are essentially people betting Bitcoin will go down. That number is super low, and I talked about that over the last couple days and how that really sets up for a nice, well, today and yesterday. And I guessed right, I guess you could say on that one. I'm not right all the time, but this is a really good resource. And I'm not a rocket scientist here. This is really easy. When you go to Datamish, you can see the short positions on Bitcoin. If this number's low, that's a bullish signal, especially when the price has been down over the past week like it had a few days ago. I said, this is a good sign. There's probably a reversal coming here. The shorts are getting out of there, right? And we've got the B-word event, which was a nice little catalyst. And we kind of pieced that together to say, hey, I think things are going to bounce back here over the next couple days. So good to see the market back. Good to see our favorite assets: Ethereum, Cardano, Shiba Inu, VET, and all the others that we like. Axie. They're all back up in the green today. That's great to see. And yeah, hopefully you got some value out of this. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Give me a follow over on Twitter. It's @Z_Humphries. And I'm out of here. I'll see you in the next one.